Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we're going to be slaying a gorgeous lace wig courtesy of Lush Wigs. Now this is an HD fake scalp lace wig, so you're going to love how super simple and easy it is to install. Keeping your natural hair flat and healthy underneath your wigs is key. For today's protective style, we're going to do 2 French braids. I'm going to speed through it and then we'll start with the install. Typically, my protective style takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do. I just wrap the back of the hair or the length of the hair into like a beehive, secure it with bobby pins, and then I add my wig cap. And now it's time for the wig install. What I loved about this one is that it definitely fits glueless. It took a second to pry it on, but once it's on, it fits flat, neat, and flawless. Here's a quick look at the inside construction of the cap. As you guys see, they included a elastic band, and of course this is a fake scalp lace wig. The biggest bonus about a fake scalp lace wig is that you literally have to do almost no work. You don't have to bleach the knots, you don't have to tint the lace, and in most cases it comes pre-plucked. In this case, it definitely was perfect and ready to go. So all I'm going to do is cut off all the excess lace and begin the process of bonding the wig down. We are going to use a non-glue adhesive, which is my bed head. Everything I used is listed and linked in the description box for you guys to check out. Even if you don't want to purchase, you can go ahead and check it out and see exactly what I used. That way the next time you're in your local Target or your beauty supply, you can pick it up yourself. And of course, Dominic is making her cameo. Say hi. Now, of course, when I put her on the spot, she has nothing to say. Say hi, baby. Say hi. She's waving to her virtual family, so she says hello. This looks so good. It makes me so excited for how this is going to come out. Now we're going to bond down the left side, and of course we're going to use our blow dryer to bond it down. Be sure to use your blow dryer on a cool setting. It really doesn't matter what the brand of blow dryer it is, but I do love the way the Dyson works. It definitely makes a huge difference in my opinion. And now we're gonna bond down the right side, or my left side. Now that the wig is completely bonded down, you can see how gorgeous the hairline looks. Of course, it does not match my complexion, which we will fix at the end of this video. I'm going to go in and just pull out a little bit of hair, not necessarily tweeze it out. I just want to make it feel like it's a little bit thinner so that once I swoop the baby hair, you guys know I'm doing baby hair. Once I swoop the baby hair, it won't be too thick and bunched up. I am going for a curved side parting just because when I put the wig on and played with it, that's just what felt natural, and you guys can see how beautiful the parting looks courtesy of that fake scalp. If you watch my videos, then you should know by now my favorite combo for melting the lace and making everything look super flawless is the electric hot comb paired with my wax stick. This wax stick literally does it for me. It is the wax stick for me. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of leave like a hump right here. I love how much body it has, and that's what made me want to do the side part. So typically I will go in and flatten this entire little hump area, but I want to accentuate it and make sure that the hairline looks super flat. Now if you pay attention, kind of rewind a little bit and watch the process of me melting the lace along the front. Once I add that wax stick and I just do so many heat passes with the electric hot comb, it literally makes the front of the hairline look like it's coming out of my scalp. It looks like I'm doing a lot of work. I am doing a lot of work, and trust me, it was well worth it. Now that the wig is installed, we're going to go ahead and do baby hair. I'm going to trim this down and swoop it with some foam lotion, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a heat protectant, and then I will straighten out the hair, and then I'm going to add some concealer to the parting, powder to the front. You guys can watch along, and then at the end I'm going to tell you all about this hair and my thoughts. It's safe to assume that if you've made it this far, you are enjoying the content. If so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It'll help me out so much, and I promise you won't regret it. For those who always ask what are my favorite flat irons, I would honestly recommend the Babyliss. There are so many flat irons that are much more affordable, but these do the job and make my hair look so good, so quick, so easy, without any extra extreme product or anything like that. And look how beautiful this hair came out. Absolutely flawless and amazing. Minimal product, minimal effort, absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, so this is the end of the road. I actually just finished installing this wig and I am so in love. So what I really want to do to this wig is make it my birthday wig. If you did not know, it is my birthday week. If you're feeling generous, go ahead and send me a birthday card to my P.O. box listed in the description box. Shameless plug. But anyways, I really love the way this wig came out. As soon as I put it on my head, even before the install, I was like, this is my birthday wig. This is going to be so perfect. So today is Monday night. My birthday is Friday. So I'm literally installing it, but I'm going to actually remove it tonight and put it on a mannequin head. And then come Friday, I'm going to put some big, beautiful curls into it. And this is going to look so good. So stay tuned. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because you definitely will find cute pictures and videos there. As far as the install goes, I keep looking at myself in the big mirror because I absolutely love it. So as you guys seen, this one is a fake scalp lace wig. I kind of feel like it's been a minute since I've had a fake scalp lace wig, and this reminded me how much I truly love these wigs. They require minimal work and they look so good on. I opted for a side part just because, I don't know, I was just feeling the vibe. And you guys know my jam, I always do a little bit of baby hair. I did lightly thin it out so that it wasn't so thick, but you know, once I go in and like comb it out with the rat tail comb and kind of tease it and all that, I will, like right here, I probably will like trim it a little bit shorter. Here I'll trim it shorter. So like all these long tails are going to get cut shorter, and then I'll re-swoop so that, you know, it just looks really good. But this wig in itself just complements my face so good. I've been in the mood and in the need for a good long wig, and this one definitely slays. So make sure you check out Lush Wig. Of course, I have a link to this wig including all the details and everything you need to know about this linked and listed in the description box. Also, everything that I use to complete this look. If you have any questions, you can also find a list of everything I use to complete this look. My flat iron, my electric hot comb, all the hair products, and so forth and so on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, it's Virgo season, so even if you're not a Virgo, have a shot from me. Turn up on me, especially because I cannot drink because I am still breastfeeding. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!